Hello everybody. It's Thursday in early October. You can see it's a little bit cloudy. It's actually cleared off since I've been out here a little bit. Boat's back on the lift. You know, got home early from work. Thought, it's cloudy, I'm not gonna go out, gotta uncover the boat, blah blah blah. Then I thought, well, you know, Tim, this is why you live here. Just take the boat out. You come down the steps right there. Come across, walk down here, come to the boat, take off the cover, whoop, 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 just like that. The front one, whoop, 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 just like that. Goes down, you go out, enjoy the lake, you come back, push a button, whoop, goes up, cover it, whoop, 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 and it's done. Here I am. So I'm really glad I went out. I shot a little video. Don't know if it'll come out or not. I always say that. Oh, and I've been meaning to say this for quite some time. Do you notice how I always scratch the side of my head right here on most of the videos that I shoot of myself? That must be some psychological, deep psychological issue that I have about being on camera or something. I don't know what it is. But anyhow, now that that's out in the open, I hope we can get past that. Out there, by the way, comes the celebration. Can I zoom in and pick it up? There it is. While not a beautiful sunny sunset, still in its own way. Another beautiful evening here at the lake. Okay, everybody, hope you're having a good week. Love you all. Take care. God bless. Love you. Bye.
I want you, baby. Anyone but a fool would let it be. Go on, anywhere you take me. I don't wanna know what's full of me. If I fall so deep with my eyes so wide, then I hope that feeling isn't only mine. Hey, hey, hey. Fools rushing. I'm a fool for love, baby. Fools rushing, but the wise don't know. Fools rushing, 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 rushing. Safe advice, I can't let it stop me. Love don't wanna know the reason why. And if we fall so deep with our eyes so wide, then I know where the wise don't go. Fools rushing.